welcome to my channel. So today we're going to look at this unboxing of this Giant Ratchet Multitool I got on Cyclop. Yeah. So I just opened the case here, and you can see there's actual tool and then there's a set of bits over there. Yeah, it's looking pretty good and handy. And here I'm opening the actual so here I have removed the case, and this case contains the information of what all the bits it can hold. So we have a 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 Torx T10, T25, and also of Philips flathead 4. And yeah, so here we have the actual set of the bits. So that's hex 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 Torx T10, T25 and a Philips flathead size 4. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good and compact. Yeah. And then we have the actual ratchet tool, and that goes with the ratchet mechanism right at the top, yeah, over there. And that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one where I actually review the tool. Thank you very much.